disorder, the theoretical aspect of music. We could go back to Pythagoras or Pythagoras on the first chromatic scales, but we're going to talk specifically about the chromatic scales, or in fact, let's just go all the way to the diatonic scales. The diatonic scale...
Extrasensory perception. Extrasensory perception basically means that all your sensories, your auditory, optical, olfactory, tactile, and gustatory, all that means is you see, smell, taste, touch, and you hear, it's augmented and modified. And it allows you to tap into, you know, things that what we call supernatural, or what science cannot quantify. You can quantify it scientifically.
Like the internet. We don't even know what it is.
I don't know what the hell that is.
It is still a wild thing, you know, for us. I don't know how old you are, but
real comedians have above average high IQs. Comedians are witty, astute individuals. No exceptions.
Right, but they're not polarity. They might be in some context, contrast. Diatonic scales, it is based on a number system. So the first was something called the juxtaposition of incongruity.